Right, here we are in the Oak, on his way to Cyclardis, 5th of September 97.
Check out
That's the leaving committee.
This is Alan Wickham. That's
Kelly Nixon.
You're going out at sea at Kalamaki.
Zara poor for
You only
the
have to fucking wedding,
Ben though. Ben, Catherine and Ben.
video on your wedding for you.
Is there?
Professional wedding.
They don't understand Yorkshire Day. Yorkshire side.
Yeah.
That'll make the cost down.
Well, I think that's a big wedding. There'll be a lot of videos there.
Yeah, but
There will be at Di's funeral. T-shirts.
And a pair of socks.
Don't let him sell them t-shirts, Dave. You're not going to need them. Poor old Dave's lost his luggage. Don't know what to do.
these things happen.
These things happen. He's got a friend who's run away with your t-shirt, doesn't he?
Everyone knows something today.
He'll be back.
You've got a flight.
I pay more money, little money, you go to the bank, you know. Okay. Let you get down. Come on, come around. You never when you get down.
Early morning shopping. Saturday morning. 6th of September. This old heart of mine has been broke 1,000 times. Well, we say, is it out for breakfast there we can get? What do you fancy? What do you fancy for breakfast? Sausages? 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 I'll give you sausages. Sausages galore. Oh, what a shop. Oh, this is my kind of shop. Oh, beautiful. Oh, beautiful grub.
With chives. Only got it with chives.
Which ferry do we want, John? This one, yeah. It's a Ford, man. What is it? An old, must be one of the first escorts.
Containers.
Oh, it might be an early Cortina then. Wow. No, I don't know that one.
Do you know what he said to me? Sam? I'm going to say railway station. Let's get it together now, he says. Everybody else, let's get it together now. I know you do that. Oh. He just says, I'm right behind you.
She's clearing him off. She's not having him on her patch. Get away, you drunken bugger, she says. And this is Kalamaki Port. There's the lads already raring to go. It's a matter of minutes before we board.
Hello, Mr. Wicker.
You won't believe it, but the battery's running down already. I've got a charger, but it's not a DC. And there we are, ready to roll. All provisions are getting put aboard. Bags are on. And there's all beer going in. Have you got them, mate? 8 crates of ice.
Keep it going.
That's, it's a bit dark in there for videoing.
Is it?
I'll just video it while it's nice and clean now, because it'll never look like that again. Alright, who wants aspirin and who wants hyperfurin? I've got the hyperfurin for Danny.
What, heavy duty?
Hyperfurin for you, Danny. Right. Here we are, anchored early morning, Sunday morning. And last night we went for a floater. The wind took the anchor. Where did it take us? Over on that corner. Just about to smash on them rocks. Cliff, yeah. The 2 men aboard fast asleep and they nearly smashed on rocks. Well, it was rescue in the speedboat. There he is. There were 2 of them, Jimmy and...
Well, it's like I'm there watching it.
A bit. I'll go to that one.
Right. Joe, you getting in? Hurry up, mate.
That's balling.
You can leave them free experience crew me on here.
Oh, you stood on my toe. My toe trapped up fucking hole.
Get away, boy!
Hey! Whoa, steady, I ain't getting down in there. Good after edit, this tape's so much terrible. Over there.
About there.
Yeah, it's recording. It's recording now. Hello, Mum. I've never done this. Hello, Mum.
Good shot of your phone.
It's DB and the Drifters.
That's our board ropes for you. For this adapter, so that we can recharge the battery.
How do you turn it off, brother?
There she is in Regina Harbour, well, Regina Bay. The lads getting in the dinghy, coming up for a breakfast at about 2 o'clock.
O clipe do parágrafo, que vai continuar mais apesar.
Where we've been beaching the dinghies, but I don't think the lads will bother because it's a bit congested with the ferries, etc. Yes, they are. I swear. Go for it.
To the boot.
There they are. Close that rope, Danny. Got it. I've got it. Where's it go? There it is. Caught it with my foot.
I'm just kidding.
Well, tide's gone out and these rocks are really shallow. We've been floating straight in. That's that. You're going to have to paddle. I mean, not paddle like that, I mean with your feet. We've got them over it.
When they built a Hilton in Sydney. We won't be as much as it was drifting. So of course we aren't drifting. Yeah. Only us. Drifting about. Yeah, it's put off last year.
Alright, set them up, innkeeper. The boys are in.
Where have you been, Jimmy?
Good evening, how are you? Hey, where's my
Welcome aboard.
Where's my passport?
Where is your passport? Have you got your passport? Show us your passport now.
Can we see your passport, sir?
Yes. Thank you very much.
Customs and excise.
Checking for drugs.
Busting for drugs, aye.
Come on in.
Now, so here.
Come and have a beer.
We've got a bit of a wet ass.
Come and have a beer. It must be in a long, long haul.
Long haul. But yeah, we're going over to see our American chaps in a minute.
Beer.
Pete's just
Morning,
coming.
Paddy. It's daylight.
Barefoot new
We're
arrivals.
awake. We're ready to set off. Jim. Hell, Jim.
Have you done it? Yeah, I wish you'd have had a video camera as they come out. Where do you think he'd come along? He was on that Sea Falcon, right, with Captain at the front, giving it.
Never thought I was going to get here, you know.
The only one answering. My bag never arrived.
Jimmy, you've got a wet ass as well, haven't you? Until you've been in boat. I don't know what's come by out a lot. All together, Joe. All together. I'll show you this other trick.
Come on, Dave, you're not trying.
Putty, can you get this down on our video? Putty.
Oh, try me best. You've got to work really slowly in this light.
We've got half a giggling here, right? Half a giggling. I can throw back and sell it here. Catch you in the mic. Picture one. Oh no, it is.
You're talking about...
From there. And I was that first I shot back. Something about...
Yeah, I think you're all drunk.
Have a drink off first.
You're talking a load of rubbish. You're drunk.
Put it, you're going to miss the best bit.
Here's the after. Look at that, somebody's got to clean it up. Have you done any tea then, or what?
Anyway, the book for a young girl I'd overseen.
I think the strange old lady in the monastery now. What can I say? We drank, we had sex in this.
Oh, you're an angel.
Not again.
You've always been my best mate, you.
You'll be happier when you get a glass of water, I'll tell you that.
Who's
Oh, right, what?
Everyone's got familiarity with this cooker. It's what?
That's it. You know what?
Familiarity.
Sunshine.
It's called Shasta.
What you meant to say is who's got a
Hold it in, Jim. Jimmy, light it. Hold it in and turn it to the right.
Okay. Cheers, Jim. Oh, look, it's daylight. What a lovely day.
Daylight before I went to... Yeah, tell you what, please don't party go this year.
Start date. What's the date? Monday. Start date Monday. Well, we're looking at the charts. It's
not going there.
Apparently, Captain's found a place called Fuck You. Fuck you. Well, we're not going there today. Dave, where do you reckon then, Dave?
Heading for air.
Right, head for there.
Consensus.
Right, well, let's have a look at on proper thing.
No, that's not the best proper thing. This is the best proper thing.
Proper thing. Sailors there, man. It's down there anyway.
Not shown on this chart. Well, there's an anchorage.
Have they got a supermarket? Do the cell.
Is that? Oh, we got 2,000 years civilization. All we got to look for is a
We need a
supermarket.
supermarket. I can live in a cave, but you lads can't.
We're selling about half
I reckon I was singing it for my friend. Oh, I suppose so,
It's 12:15. It's Monday.
Susie's a party member.
September the...
You all right?
It's September the 8th. Ninth, no. It's September the 9th. 12:30 midday. You can see about the sun.
And there's only 26 days to shopping Christmas.
That's right, you know that. Hang about you, so who beat you at arm wrestling now? Just big table and all sorts. Loads of technique.
I'll tell you, I've been out the block without wrestling.
Hasn't got the power.
That's right, they haven't.
He's got the power, but then again he chickened out and all. Look.
If we meet
I've never seen. Hang on, can I video this?
Today, we...
Can I video this? Here we are. You don't see this very often. You don't see this very often. Here it is, Aquaman ladder. It's going down. Yes, down in drink floor. Hey, what's happening, lads?
Lost a yoke somewhere. Stairs there, right on top.
Stairs on top. Just put a lift in so it's latched onto that lift. Did you say anchors away? That's not a bad little room down there. That's crew's quarters. Just get them out.
That's it. Look, we need a warp on me to tie that down now.
Crew's
Can't
quarters.
get it down this gap. We'll have to tie that down now. Should be a cleat for that somewhere.
You're on your own when you get in there.
Yeah, don't find you got that.
We're going to put mainsail out then.
Yeah. Best we know with.
The line there where it's a bit of line somewhere. I think it interferes an interference function.
Captain Barker, what happened to the wind? We had a lot of wind, man.
You didn't say your wind prayers last night. Did you have the prayer mat out?
No, we didn't. So we won't bother with sails then?
Well,
for a bit.
it's like we'll get out like this now.
Out where? Out there? Oh my God, yeah, it looks lovely. Round the peninsula. So what do you say? Take a right, hang a right.
Sharp left.
Here we are, arriving Poros.
Yeah.
Poros. What day is it? Is it Monday?
Very backwards.
Yeah. It's Monday. It's about 5:15 in the evening. Monday, September, whatever. Early September. Is it a stern? Is it stern first?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
All right.
That's odd fish around.
Oh, there's sandbanks right here.
There's no market boys for anything.
It's ever gone for himself, is it?
It's like to make a living out of it, does it?
Oh, over there. It's just behind them, see them 4 masts there? Tucked in behind them.
Yeah, it's okay.
No.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
We're getting close to the table, but actually, we're going to have to pull in here or stop.
I think be alright as you are, just keep your head in. Keep exactly where you are, because that's what he's doing. And you'll just pass each other nicely. Yeah, a bit close.
There's the one. The Malibu, that's it.
Malibu, is that the one you had?
That's the club.
Oh, the club. Malibu. Oh, yeah. Club, that's what we're in. Where is it, Danny? Oh, right in front of us.
Yeah, that's where we bored last year, just right in there.
Well, what's wrong with it again? Malibu, yeah.
Yeah,
right.
let's get in there.
Let's dock it in there.
That's the stinking bit though.
That's the what bit?
Stinks the haunted bit there, you know what I mean? Maybe there. Yeah.
You're not going to get up there, are you?
Alright then. Let's have a bit of reverse then.
Then I have to go in there.
Right, fenders out.
Lines out. Two stern lines. Two stern lines. I need somebody ready with anchor. Should just put them anywhere to scatter them?
Yeah, just balance them out. You know, one in the middle and then split the difference.
By the way, put them low down because it says
What, power?
But that it's a low shot. When you bore up, we're boring stern too, remember, so we want to concentrate on the back. It's not the front, it's not going to be alongside everything else. So everything wants to be a stern, but put them low down because it's...
I just want to look for my shades. I know not to do that. I never video drunken people or people mooring up. It's just too embarrassing.
Best sketch when Pete wants up fell in, wasn't it? What? That's my road sketch. We're on the ground twice, finally got it in. Then I just pushed over the line and just thought about it. Straight on the Only about 3 foot, you know what I mean? Just suddenly thought.
It soon jumped out, didn't it? Oh, what was the co-op? Bloody hell, I can't remember my divvy number. Oh yeah, what was it, 11, 12, 96. Tuesday morning. Morning after the Very quiet this morning. All chilling out, drinking tea.
That's that. Let's try it. This is Preston.
What a life, eh, Danny? Can't beat it.
Beautiful life.
What a good. Some smoke.
Any more activities?
Yes, there is. More tea liquor, right. And here we are in Spetsies, Wednesday afternoon.
Candid camera!
Just we're just getting dingy out, going down to a beach, do a bit of snorkeling, a bit of frisbee. Whoa! Don't do it too long, there's no oil on it.
Right then, come on, let's
There were nobody here this morning when we got it, they pushed us all that way. All anchors is all tied up. Some big flotilla's just come in. A sunsail flotilla. Down the beach. Look at these two clowns. They can't even work an outboard. I presume you've got the oars with you? Have you got the oars with you? Yeah, it's going.
A long run. What's the battery on the last 7 minutes, Paul?
Yeah, that's it. I've stopped it.
What does it go with?
Time for a cigarette, all knackered. Where've they gone, Danny? All right. Are you posing for this or what? We've had to come in this English bar, typical English bar, to watch football for Danny. If you'd like to see yourself, we're showing it in the Oak on Sunday dinner time. Come in and watch it. To do automatic focus here.
No, it's Franklin, is it? Yeah, it sounds like not Franklin. Sounds a bit like it. Not enough depth of voice. It's a bit similar, but I don't get
1:15 in the morning. Sat outside the marina. Waiting for the lads to arrive with a load of women.
Shouldn't have happened, you probably are.
Right, knuckle time. How's it going, Captain Paul? Down. Hold us steady. Straight to wind.
Coming down, boy.
Oh yeah. Okay, get it.
Alright, I won't get any action.
size is that one behind us? It's only about 40 foot. It never is. Oh yeah, it is, yeah.
See that jump out there?
Yeah, it's a 40 foot. Rock and really. Last day, shower time. Andy having that on bucket boat, isn't it?
Alright.
Bit too cold though. Well, that's the Gina behind us. And that's the mainland. We're on our heading for Calamari. About 2.5 hours. Running short of diesel. No wind. There's Danny a bit worn out from disco night last night. The morning after the party. Mind you, they've cleaned that table up. It was like a bomber drop this morning. He'll probably cleaned it up, he's a good lad. You are here. This is it. End of the holiday. Mooring up time. Mooring up and cleaning up.
I'll have camera on me looking at I'll try to get in between them two.
Whatever. Yeah? I'm with you. In there.
We need another banner of that.
Well, they just had one on Paul, so.
No problem, straight in. Side off, walked up. Oh, that was easy. Yeah, barge up, we never really hook barge up, straight in.